It all started in Mexico, years ago when I was young. My name is Alex Streckfork. I joined the La Lucha Libre. Mexico couldn't wait for this big event. I will fight 3 luchadores. They were strong, like me. Next day, it was a new day. Today was the big event. I was getting ready to go in there and fight El Demonio and the other. I took a deep breath and went in there. Everyone was cheering, waiting for the tournament to start. Ding, ding! The bell rang. I was gonna fight El Zorro. He ran to me. Ah! He charged at me. He missed. Oof! He screamed. 1, 2, 3. He was down. Next, I was gonna fight El Demonio. More like Wolfie. Ding, ding. He charges at me and I fall. Next thing, I fell. 1, 2. Oof! I hit Wolfie before he hit me. 1, 2, 3. Alex won! I did it! I won! 5 years later, my son always went into the medal room. He asked me,
Daddy, how did you get that medal?
Said my son. Oh, it's a long story. At least I was strong enough to beat them, I said.
When I grow up, I want to be a wrestler. Daddy said,
My son, you will be one day. One day.